Okay, one of the things we looked at this morning was playing with dates in Excel. And so what I'm going to do is just create this quick video clip to talk you through some of the things that we covered. The first thing that we looked at was the fact that we can actually enter a date onto a spreadsheet. So if I want to enter a date, I can go for the 25th of December 2014, and there it is, it's actually entered that as a date. Now, I can therefore just go across the sheet and enter dates for whatever I would actually like. Now, the other thing that we actually mentioned was that we can also enter today's date, but we can enter today's date as a formula. So if I type in the equal sign, because I'm going to build a calculation, I type in the name of the formula, today, then I open and close the brackets and press return. And so today is the 28th of January 2014. Now, hidden behind these two is actually a numeric value of today's date and of the 25th of December. Now, because they're numbers, I can then do a calculation on them. And to do the calculation, I can press the equal sign, and I can say, okay, let us take the 25th of December, and then from that we'll take away today's date. And then what we've actually got here is it's returned a number, a date, or a number in a date format. And what I really want is for that to be a number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up onto my formatting here, and as you can see that is currently saying that it's displayed as a date, but what I want to do is change that so it's changed into an accounting format. So as you can see at the moment there is 331 shopping days till Christmas. So I can put that in, shopping days till, I'll use Xmas because typing has never been my strong point. And so we've now got something that will actually count down. Now, because that is a calculation called today, tomorrow that will have tomorrow's date in, and so it will continue every time I look at this sheet to give me a day's countdown till Christmas. Now, we can also use that to do things such as calculate my birth date. So I can put in my birth date, 20th of June 1956, and then I can actually type in again underneath here equals today, and then I could actually say, well, how many days have I actually been gracing this planet? And I can go to equals. I can then move up and then take away the larger number, which is today's date, take away the smaller number, which is my birth date, and as you can see, I've been around for 21,041 days, which is a nice number. So that is the number of days I've spent on the planet. Now, we can also use other calculations. So for example, if I put in today's date, which is the 28th of Jan, and just press return, because it is 2014, it is automatically assumed that I meant 2014, and therefore if you just have a quick look up in the formula bar, you can actually see that it actually says 2014. Now, we meet every Tuesday, so therefore I could press the equal sign and then point back to that first date and +7, and then that will tell me the next date that we're due to meet. So it's 7 days from that date, and that is the 4th of February. Now before, do you remember when we played about with automatic calculations? We can then use that to actually extend across, and each time we actually do it, it's using relative cell addressing to say that the 4th of February, which was B14 plus 7, it now says C14 plus 7, so it's the contents of C14 plus 7. The next one is the contents of D14 plus 7. So I've now got a week by week count as we go through. And we can actually use that elsewhere when we're playing with calculations. Okay, so there is a quick run through of some of the key features of the date function that we can actually play with. Okay, I'll save this and we'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye.